In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Telegram channel link on Instagram Story. This is one of the easiest ways to direct your Instagram audience to your Telegram channel, and the whole process only takes a few minutes. We'll go from copying your Telegram channel link to adding it into an Instagram Story, and then posting it so viewers can tap and join. First, open the official Telegram app and go to the channel that you want to share. Once you're inside the channel, tap the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel details. From there, look for the edit option or the invite link option, depending on your device and app version. When you find the channel link, tap copy link. This copies the direct invite link to your clipboard so you can paste it into Instagram in the next step. Now switch over to the Instagram app. Tap the plus icon to create something new, then choose Story. At this point, you can decide what kind of background you want to use. You can select a photo, use a plain color background, or keep it simple depending on the style you want. If your goal is to get more people to tap the link, it usually helps to use a clean background that makes the sticker easy to notice. Once your story background is ready, tap the sticker icon near the top of the screen. It looks like a small smiley square. From the sticker options, select the link sticker. Instagram will give you a field where you can paste your link, paste in your Telegram channel link, then tap Done. This creates a clickable sticker that people can tap directly from your story. After that, place the link sticker somewhere visible on the screen. You can drag it around and position it where it looks best. Try not to hide it behind text or place it too close to the edges. When everything looks good, tap your story to post it. If the link is not clickable, make sure the link starts with https://t.me/ because that is the proper Telegram format. If you don't see the link sticker option in Instagram, update the app first. In some cases, the feature may not be available on older accounts or outdated versions of Instagram. And if people are seeing your story but not joining your channel, add a clear call to action on the story itself, like join for updates or free access here. That small detail can make a big difference in getting more taps and more subscribers.